Good evening and welcome to Apple Park. Tonight we're doing something special to celebrate a product we all love, the Mac. Like we just saw, the Mac inspires us to be creative, to be productive, and to do the best work of our lives. We continue to push the Mac forward. It has been completely transformed by Apple Silicon with its game-changing performance, advanced technologies, and industry-leading power efficiency.
Introducing M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max. They feature a number of groundbreaking technologies and show how far Apple Silicon for the Mac has come since the debut of the M1 family. To start, they are the first chips for a personal computer built using the industry-leading 3nm technology. Utilizing state-of-the-art extreme ultraviolet lithography, 3nm technology creates transistors that are so small you could fit 2 million of them in the cross-section of a human hair. We use these cutting-edge transistors to advance every component of these new chips to deliver increased performance and new features to every chip in the family. The biggest advancement comes with the GPU. The M3 family of chips introduces a next-generation GPU that takes the largest leap forward in graphics architecture ever for Apple Silicon. It starts with a new microarchitecture that has a breakthrough feature we call dynamic caching, an industry first. In a traditional graphics architecture, software determines the amount of local GPU memory that's allocated to upcoming tasks at compile time. This results in reserving the same amount of memory for every task based on the needs of the single most demanding task, which means the GPU is underutilized, especially with complex programs. In our next-generation GPU, local memory gets dynamically allocated in hardware in real time. So only the exact amount of memory that is needed is used for each task. This dramatically increases the average utilization of the GPU, which significantly increases performance for the most demanding pro apps and games. This is an industry first, transparent to developers, and the cornerstone of our new GPU architecture. So that's the groundbreaking M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max. With 3nm technology, a next-generation GPU architecture, a higher performance CPU, faster neural engine, and support for even more unified memory, they're the most advanced chips ever built for a personal computer.
The new MacBook Pro is scary fast. Woo! And with M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max, there's a perfect model for everyone. Let's begin with the 14-inch MacBook Pro. It now starts with the M3 chip, making it the ideal laptop for users pursuing their passions. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, creator, or combination of all three, you'll find everyday tasks lightning fast. And when you're using pro apps or playing games, the advanced thermal system allows you to sustain the phenomenal performance of M3. In fact, the 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 is up to 60% faster than the 13-inch MacBook Pro with M1. So it's great for working with demanding content across a variety of workflows, such as making intricate 3D models in SketchUp faster than before, or viewing and interacting with large medical images in surgical AR with stunning detail on the XDR display. And hardware-accelerated ray tracing enables gameplay with incredibly realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in games like Myst. Next, let's talk about the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Pro, which provides even greater performance and additional unified memory for users with more demanding workflows like coders, creative pros, and researchers. With M3 Pro, MacBook Pro is up to 40% faster than the 16-inch model with M1 Pro. So stitching together and manipulating enormous panoramic photos in Photoshop is much quicker. Working on large and complex data models in MATLAB is more fluid. and compiling and testing millions of lines of code in Xcode is even faster. Now, let's turn to MacBook Pro with M3 Max. For users with extreme workflows, like AI developers, 3D artists, and video professionals, it's an absolute beast. It provides performance and capabilities that push the limits of computing. With M3 Max, it's up to 2.5 times faster than the 16-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Max. Thanks to the next generation GPU architecture in M3 Max, you can model and iterate remarkably complex 3D content in Cinema 4D with Redshift. And you can do it faster than ever, even while away from the studio. To top it off, the new MacBook Pro provides up to an extraordinary 22 hours of battery life for the ultimate in pro portability, whether you're working all day or all night. You also get the industry-leading Liquid Retina XDR display. So that's the remarkably powerful and capable new MacBook Pro. With the power of the M3 family of chips, up to 22 hours of battery life, a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display, and advanced connectivity. There's simply no other laptop like MacBook Pro. Now, back to John.
With the next generation of M-series chips, the new MacBook Pro brings our most advanced technologies to the broadest set of users yet. And we can't wait for them to experience it. The 14-inch MacBook Pro delivers more performance and capabilities than ever. And while it previously started at $1999, it now starts at just $1599. And the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the monumental performance of M3 Pro and M3 Max still starts at $2499. You can order the new MacBook Pro today, and models with M3 and M3 Pro will be available next week. Models with M3 Max will be available later in November. There's nothing quite like the new MacBook Pro. It's wicked fast, and in space black, it just looks awesome. And we're not done. We have another big treat for our users. We're updating the 24-inch iMac for the first time by giving it the M3 chip. For those who are upgrading from an Intel-based iMac, you'll experience a huge difference in performance and features. Compared to the most popular 27-inch models, iMac with M3 is up to 2.5 times faster. And when compared to the most powerful 21.5-inch iMac model, it's up to a remarkable 4 times faster. And you'll love seeing everything come to life on the beautiful, large, and immersive 24-inch 4.5K Retina display. It's the perfect size and resolution to replace both the 4K and the 5K Intel-based models in an even more versatile and stunning design. Whichever model you're coming from, you'll appreciate the enormous amount of screen real estate on the new iMac display. Along with 11 million pixels, 500 nits of brightness, and over 1 billion colors, it's an expansive canvas that lets you spread out with all your favorite apps. You also get great features like a 1080p FaceTime camera, a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio, and studio quality mics, which create an unmatched video conferencing experience. In addition, you'll also get the advanced technologies of Apple Silicon, like the Neural Engine and Media Engine, for incredible machine learning and video performance, and the option to choose a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for secure login and payments. So that's the new iMac, with the remarkable performance of M3, featuring an expansive 4.5K Retina display, faster wireless connectivity, a striking design, and a seamless experience with iPhone. It's the world's best all-in-one. And even with all of these incredible and innovative features, iMac still starts at just $1299. You can order it today, and it'll be available next week. Now back to Tim.
There's never been a better time to experience a Mac, and we're innovating at a tremendous pace. We continue to make huge advances in Apple Silicon with the incredible new M3 family of chips, M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max. They are the most advanced chips ever created for a personal computer, taking the best pro laptops in the world and making them even better. And with M3 coming to iMac, the world's best all-in-one gets even more powerful and more capable. MacBook Pro and iMac join the rest of our amazing industry-leading lineup. A lineup made possible by the tight collaboration between our world-class hardware, software, and silicon teams. This deep integration is something only Apple can deliver, and we never stop innovating. This has been a remarkable year, one where we've taken our products and platforms further than ever before, as well as introducing entirely new breakthroughs that will shift the way we look at technology and the role it plays in our lives for years to come.